Hey kids, this week on Cool Tool Tuesday we were talking about Fastcap's Magshims. These Magshims help you get the blade on your table saw exactly to the right height that you need very quickly and easy and conveniently. They are magnetized so they can stick right to the front of your table saw, so they're always there. These can help you quickly index the height above the table as well as the distance from the fence for your cuts. These also work on your bandsaw and you're all over the place. The basic principle is essentially this is a stack of shims that are all magnetized together. They come in 1 and 2 millimeter thicknesses, right? So the steel ones are 1 millimeter and these red ones are 2 millimeters. And they magnetize together, clickety-clack, clunk-clank. So you figure out the height that you need, say 5 millimeters off the table, and you work that out in your shims, right? And you kind of switch blade them out to the side so that this distance here is exactly the height that you need. So you clunk this down magnetically onto the table and you raise your blade up to that, right? Now say you need it, your cut to be 5 mil from the fence, you would do the same thing, right? So you got your 5 mil and you put this as your spacer between the fence and the blade. That's a very clever, nifty little idea from those guys up at Fastcap, who we know I'm a fan of. Remember these? And this. The Fat Boy pencil. So there you have it, Fastcap's Magshims. They are a very useful thing to have just clunked to the front of your table saw. They'll live there forever. Don't forget to check the links down in the doobly-doo. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, or shall-like-ascribe, as those cool kids say. I am Phil Shimbine, and I will see you when I see you. This time I'm going to walk off the camera.